When the digital shift came, then we were able to have more of a two-way conversation where it wasn't just a simple call to action. It was about me being able to showcase who I am as a company, who I am as a brand, who I might be as a physician. This question is about advertising, which obviously we love, and branding and marketing and messaging and all those different things. How can you continue to marketing to your local consumer base without oversaturating the market and making them numb to your advertising and content? Well, so one of the biggest mistakes come from traditional media, which is kind of that shotgun approach. So billboards, for instance, or the television, or all of that at once, where it's kind of like just this big kind of me yelling at you about my brand. Here I am, here I am. It's not at all a two-way conversation. When the digital shift came, then we were able to have more of a two-way conversation where it wasn't just a simple call to action. It was about me being able to showcase who I am as a company, who I am as a brand, who I might be as a physician, and then the consumer being able to interact with that as they needed to and as they wanted to. And so this two-way conversation started to happen. Furthermore to that, we can now kind of segment marketplaces with geofencing and geo-targeting. So in ophthalmology, you really have kind of those three groups of people, of four. You have medical, obviously, but when we're talking about specifically elective, you kind of have LASIK, so myopic, presbyopic, and then we move into cataract. Well, you know, in traditional media, you just sort of say, Kane's ophthalmology, we fix all, whatever that might look like. But you can really tailor messages specifically to those age ranges. So if we're talking about LASIK, maybe we're talking to an 18 or 21-year-old through to, let's say, a 40-year-old or a 45-year-old. And then we've got presbyopia, let's say 40 through 55, 55 early onset of cataract, so we go from 55 up to 100. But you can market to those people at different times with different messaging. So we're not seeing the same thing over and over and over. Then think about having a more sort of 30,000 foot approach. And to me, that should be brand. That should be building awareness. That should be building comfort, building trust. And then when you dig down into those three segments of the market, that's when you can get into the education, because someone who's 18 doesn't need to know about cataracts yet.